Camgymeriad gan Mael Davies. Toure. At Clayton Green. Green yn croesi. McLagan. Ac yna Toure! A Toure yn ei thynnu ddi heibio'r postyn. Unwaith eto, Greg Walters yn ennill y bêl yng nghanol ca. Mae wedi parhau a'i rediad. Hambury, mlaen at Greg Walters. Walters ar ei dro'r chwith! O, modfedd i heibio'r postyn. Not. Gwaith da. Nawr te. Carroll. Carroll! A mae'r eildro gyda Mael Davies mewn tu fewn at Liam Thomas. Ond Declan Carroll sy'n cymryd y clod am greu. Na'r ergyd yn dod o hyd i Mael Davies, ond ni'n meddwl bod Davies yn mynd i rwydo. Ond tu fewn yr athi, at Liam Thomas. Jonathan Hood, mae'r gêm di agor lan ers y gol. Hood yn parhau fe'n ar ei drodden ar gydio. O, gwych! Gan Jonathan Hood. Rhyw 5 munud barodd mantais Caerfyrddin. Gol gampus gan Jonathan Hood. Y ddau sgoriwr yn gytrus amdani. Pen pella, Hood a Thomas. Toure. Toure, Greening, ac yna'r bas tu fewn! A mae Chris Huw wedi rwydo am yr eildro a tymor hwn yn erbyn Caerfyrddin. Ar ei drod chwith nodweddiadol, ergyd isiel i giro idzi. Fry, yr eilydd, yn prynu amser i Southern Hales, sy'n croesi at y postyn agosa, camgymeriad, y bêl yn cael ei gosod nôl, a Toure dros y bar. Ni'n chwarae mantais, dyma Fry. Fry allan at McLagan, McLagan yn ffigio, wedyn ergydio, geith ei ail gyfle, a mae'n gicor smotyn y drosedd gan Jordan Not. Ond mae yna gyfle gwych fan hyn i Cain McLagan, ymestyn mantais y Barri. A mae McLagan yn sgorio y drydedd gol a'r 3 phwynt yn saff i'r Barri. Vincent, beth mae e'n ei fyna? Allan at Vickers, 3 yn y canol i'r hen air. Sermon, Thomas a Bowen. Vickers yn croesi, Thomas yn dod amdani, a mae'n gol i rwyd i hun. Gan Luke Cooper, y capten, yn yr amser sydd wedi cael ei ganiatáu yma na fiadau.
Gavin, once again you had to dig deep for victory, but that three points keeps you right on the tail of Connah's Nomads.
Yeah, difficult game to appraise if I'm being honest. I thought that the first half was just nothing in it, just felt lacklustre. You know, it wasn't really, we weren't really at the races, and you know, we can see the first sloppy goal, and that's what sort of stirred us into action, if you like. And the most pleasing thing for me tonight, apart from the 3 points, is the response to going a goal down. I thought the boys were fantastic in that regard, and disappointed to concede 2 goals, but I thought we scored 3 very good ones.
There was nothing to choose between the teams in the first half, but having gone ahead, how disappointed are you to have conceded so quickly afterwards?
Yeah, we've just spoke about game management, looking after the ball a little bit better. You know, I think we are developing, we are getting better. But like you said, you know, to take the lead, and then you have to manage the game for the next couple of minutes to make sure that you don't concede and then don't concede 2. Because that allows Barry then to take the ascendancy again and start playing the possession football that they were playing. So if we could have kept them out a little bit longer, you know, gaps might have opened up. But it's a lesson learned for us again, you know, and we are all learning, we are discussing what we need to do. But yeah, I am disappointed that, you know, the 2 goals were conceded quite quickly.
Yeah, you've now opened a 4-point gap between yourselves and the New Saints following their draw tonight.
Yeah, listen, you know, it is what it is. For us at the moment, I just want to try and secure that place in the top 6. Certainly not playing anything down, you know. Just really pleased that we've come away from home on a Friday night. We've been below par, but we scored 3 very good goals, showed a bit of cut in the final third, and got those 3 points, which are so important.
It still leaves you only a point behind the Druids, who have a difficult run in, and you could look to do the double over Newtown next week.
Look, it's the same as I say every week. Everyone is beating everybody at the moment. The league, just when you expect the result to go your way, it doesn't. We can only concentrate on our game next week. Newtown will be a massively difficult game for us. So we'll do as we do every week. We do our homework, we prepare, and we go there hoping to get a good performance and take some points.